Ever wondered if someone secretly admires you but is trying to keep it under wraps? Women often communicate subtly, leaving behind a trail of clues. Today, we're diving into 7 undeniable signs a woman likes you but is trying not to show it, all while staying grounded in stoic wisdom. Let's uncover the truth. Number 1. The glance that lingers. A woman who likes you might try to hide her feelings, but her eyes betray her. Pay attention to those lingering gazes when she thinks you're not looking. According to Stoic principles, observation is key. Marcus Aurelius teaches us to see things as they truly are without judgment. If her glance stays just a second longer than usual, it's a subtle signal she's drawn to you. Number 2. Nervous energy around you. When she's trying to suppress her feelings, she might become unusually fidgety. Perhaps she plays with her hair, adjusts her clothes, or avoids direct eye contact. Stoicism teaches us to remain calm and composed in any situation. Observe these behaviors without reacting impulsively. Recognize them for what they are: signs of concealed admiration. Number 3. She remembers the little things. Even when she tries to mask her feelings, her attention to detail gives her away. Does she recall your favorite coffee order or a story you mentioned weeks ago? In Meditations, Marcus Aurelius emphasizes the importance of actions over words. Her actions, her memory of your smallest preferences, are a reflection of her interest. Number 4. Subtle support and encouragement. A woman who likes you but hides it often finds ways to support you. She'll cheer for your goals, even in a quiet way, and provide encouragement when you need it most. As a Stoic, you're trained to focus on your path, but don't ignore those who align themselves with your journey. Her actions could reveal a hidden admiration. Number 5. Guarded conversations with hidden depths. Does she seem careful about what she says around you, yet occasionally reveal something deeply personal? This mix of restraint and openness often signals she's battling her feelings. In Stoicism, truth and authenticity are virtues to appreciate her honesty when it shines through, and don't push for more than she's ready to share. Number 6. The coincidental encounters. If she always seems to be where you are, at your favorite cafe, the gym, or events you mention in passing, these encounters might not be as accidental as they appear. Marcus Aurelius reminds us that nothing happens by chance. Everything has a reason. Her presence in your spaces could be her way of staying close without making it obvious. Number 7. Small acts of care and kindness. She may offer to help you with something small or go out of her way to make your day easier. These quiet gestures often speak louder than grand declarations. Epictetus teaches us to value actions over words, and these actions are her way of showing she values you. The signs are there if you know where to look. By staying grounded in Stoic principles, you can observe without judgment, remain composed, and navigate relationships with wisdom and clarity. Remember, understanding others starts with understanding yourself. She steals glances at you. A woman who's trying to suppress her feelings might still betray herself with her eyes. If you catch her looking at you, but she quickly looks away when you notice, it's a strong indicator she's drawn to you but is trying to hide it. Why does this happen? Psychology tells us that the eyes naturally follow what the mind is preoccupied with. In Stoicism, this is a perfect example of the interplay between rational control and involuntary impulses. Her mind might say, "Don't make it obvious," but her body says otherwise. She's always around, but at a distance, too. She's always nearby but never directly engaging. Does she often end up in the same spaces as you, whether it's social gatherings, work meetings, or even your gym? This subtle proximity is a way of being in your orbit without drawing too much attention to her interest. From a Stoic perspective, recognize this behavior for what it is, a soft attempt to connect, not a clear invitation. Stay grounded and observe. She remembers the small details. Next, she remembers the small details about you. If she brings up things you've mentioned in passing, your favorite coffee order, a book you're reading, or even a minor complaint about your day, this is a clear sign she's paying close attention. This level of attentiveness shows that you're on her mind, even if she's trying to downplay it outwardly. But as a Stoic, remain calm and don't rush to conclusions. Treat her attentiveness with respect, but maintain your composure. She teases you lightly. Playful teasing. When a woman likes you but is trying to mask it, she might resort to light teasing. This creates a sense of closeness without fully exposing her emotions. Think of it as a form of controlled vulnerability. She's testing how you react. A Stoic response would be to stay good-natured and not take her teasing personally. It's a dance of subtle connection. She gets nervous around you. Another sign, she gets nervous around you. Does she fidget, stumble over her words, or avoid prolonged eye contact when you're near? This nervous energy stems from the tension between her feelings and her desire to conceal them. Stoicism teaches us to approach such moments with understanding, not arrogance. Her nervousness is about her internal struggle, not necessarily about you. She mirrors your actions. Sign is mirroring. If she starts mirroring your gestures, speech patterns, or energy levels, it's an unconscious signal of connection. Psychologists call this mimetic behavior, and it's a way of building rapport. Stoicism reminds us to be mindful of these signs, but not to let them dictate our emotions. Stay steady and let things unfold naturally. She acts indifferent, but her friends don't. And finally, her friends might give her away. Even if she's putting on a front of indifference, her friends might act differently around you, teasing her, glancing at her for her reaction, or even dropping subtle hints. As a Stoic, don't press for answers or overinterpret their behavior. Instead, observe and wait for clarity. Patience is a virtue, after all. All signs can help you navigate the subtle complexities of attraction. But remember, a true Stoic doesn't chase validation or cling to outcomes. Recognize the signs, stay grounded, and let things progress naturally. If you enjoyed this video and found it insightful, hit the like button, subscribe to Stoic Life Guide, and turn on notifications for more videos like this. And as always, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Which of these signs have you noticed before? We'd love to hear your stories.